Want to join the ever-growing Facebook community? Creating a Facebook account is free and will only take a few minutes. Welcome back to Great Time channel. Once your account is created, you can upload image, chat and share interesting things with your friend and family. In this video, I will show you how to set up and manage a Facebook account. On the Facebook home page, enter your first name and last name like John and Smith. Enter your email address. If you don't have any email, then first go to below link. How to create an email address. Re-enter your email address. Enter strong password with combination of number, letter and symbols. Select your date of birth and gender. Click the sign up button. Facebook send verification email to the address we provided. Open the email address using for account verification. Click the link in the email to activate your account. Here is a button for Facebook account verification. Here is account verification message. Click on OK. The first thing we should do after creating an account is adding a profile picture. This will allow user to quickly see who you are, making conversation between friend and family easier. Wait for uploading profile picture. Edit your picture as you want. Click on save button. If we don't have friend and family to share with content on Facebook, Facebook is nothing. You can search for people by their name or email. Take some time to set up your privacy setting to prevent the wrong people from seeing what you post.